Hey you unicorns, welcome to the Z world. In this video I'm gonna create the flower eye makeup look. So let's play with the colors. So first I've drawn the eyebrow hair with black eyebrow pencil. And now I'm filling in the eyebrow with black eyeshadow, but you can use any other eyebrow product that you like to fill in your eyebrows. Now I'm drawing the eye shape with white eye pencil. And now for the inner corner and the lower waterline, it's a pink colored lip liner. For the white portion of the eye, I'm using white eyeshadow. For the lens, I'm using green eyeshadow. To give this eye a dimension, I'm using black eyeshadow onto the edge of the lens and to the upper lash line. It's time for the eyelid. So the colors I will be using in this video are going to be the red family. I'll give you guys an idea how this eye look is going to be. First I will apply the red family colors onto the lid, and onto the outer V section I will draw the flowers. Onto the inner section of the lid I am applying the tone of red. You might ask the question, what is tone? Tone is any color in which you add some white. In this case, I've taken the original red color and added some white. So here we have the tone of red. Likewise, if you will add white into any color, you will get the tone of that color. For the outer V section, I'm applying maroon red, which is shade of red. Now the shade is any color in which you will add black. I've added some black color into the original red color. I've drawn the eyelashes off camera and added some highlights onto the eye. Now I'm highlighting the arch in the inner corner, and then we will move on to the flower section. First, take some white color onto your brush and draw a wave onto the outer section of the eye, where we have that diagonal starting from the outer corner of the eye to the tail of the eyebrow. Then at the end, draw a flower. I will create this eye look onto my actual eye. If you wanna check that out, so follow me on my socials. I will link them in the description box below. If you like my video this far, so please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell notification next to it. To give this flower a realistic look, I am adding highlights and shadows. I will draw one more flower next to this. This time without wave, only flower. And after that, I will draw some leaves here and there. Isn't it looking pretty? Let me know in the comment section below. See you next time, next week on Thursday. Thanks for watching.